Hey, what's happening, sneaky heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, just hit that like button. We're just trying to get 3 likes. Yes, sir. In this video, we got that what? That weekly heat, baby. That
Yes,
weekly
sir.
heat. So these are the hottest shoes that are coming out from 27 July to August the 2nd. I'm gonna go ahead and start off. So starting off on the 31st of July, we do have Jordan 1. And this is the one's called the Self-Expression. I do think this is really a unique shoe because I don't think I've seen a shoe like this lately. So this will be coming out as a price point for men's of 180. It also be releasing in grade school for $140. But overall, it does come in that black. When you first get it brand new, it's predominantly the upper is all black. It does have a white midsole and it does have a black outsole at the bottom of the shoe. However, the reason why it's called a self-expression because this sneaker features 3 layers of paint, which include a dark exterior and a multi mid layer. So basically, you're going to take some acetone and wipe it with a cotton ball, and you could basically distress the shoe. And as you take off the color of the paint, in certain areas, it has different colors. As we see this photo right here, it does showing blue swoosh, and the back heel tab is yellow, and then the upper of the shoe looks like a lime green, and we do see right there at the front of the shoe a little bit of pink. So it just depending on where you hit the shoe at, it does going to have different colors on it. Moving on to next another photo, we see it looks like they took off the toe box and like red was under this piece of the shoe. And then if we're looking around the toe box cover, we do see that purple. Overall, this is just a unique shoe that people can distress and make your own. And that's why I don't think each shoe will be different. I don't know if every shoe will have the same colors in the same area, but only time will tell for that. But I think it's a unique shoe because you yourself will distress the shoe. So basically, you're creating a one-on-one of every shoe. I do like the shoe just because, like I said, I don't think I've seen any like lately. So I will be rocking these. You the one man, my brother. What do you think about these?
You know what? I'm liking them as well. Like you said, you haven't seen this style of shoe in quite a while. So, I mean, maybe I'm rocking it because of that reason. And I am a one fan, but overall, it's a nice, clean shoe. And I'm glad Jordan Brand is revisiting, this style of shoe. So nice work there, Jordan Brand. Nice work there. But I will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping.
So what we got next, my brother?
So on August the 1st, we do have that Air Jordan 4 pizza, right? This is a GS size for the baby. Price point for those is going 160 for grade school, preschool, going for 100, and then toddlers, aka babies, are going for a price point of 85, right? This shoe here is inspired by the Pizzeria theme, right? For the babies, the GS sizes. I'm liking this shoe. I'm liking this shoe for the babies. I'm loving the colorway with that sesame seed and that fire red. I like how they incorporated that tan suede, right? I like what they did with that upper leather, making it look basically just like a crust, right? I'm liking what they're doing with this shoe overall. I like what the Jumpman logo resemble, like that marinara sauce on pizza. Right, this is a nice, clean shoe for the babies. I just wish Jordan Brand would have pushed this shoe back some and got this shoe more closer to like fall, right? Because I mean, just look at the shoe. It speaks fall. It don't speak any summer to it, right? This is a more going fall shoe. I wouldn't even classify it as a winter shoe because once it snow with that suede, don't make sense. It's more of a fall shoe. But overall, it's a nice, clean shoe. I am a fan of the fours. I am a fan. So nice work there, Jordan Brand. I wish they would have just did something different with the laces, right? They just kept it simple with just all black laces. Wish they would have incorporated some red in the laces. Maybe we'll be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. What about you, my brother?
I agree with you. I will be rocking these as well. I do think that this is a nice shoe for the babies because I know my brother's always talking about scuffing them up. So this colorway, looks like it can take a little bit of licking, meaning that if you hit the front, it won't get that dirty because they are like a tan. And as well as the midsole is all black. So in case you bump into something around the curve or something, you're not going to really notice that too much. I think this is the perfect shoe for the babies. I agree with you that this is the fall shoe. I'll be rocking these. So let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? Yes, sir. So moving on to the last shoe of the week, we do have the Air Jordan 10 Steel. This does come at a price point of $200 in men's sizing. Overall, this shoe hasn't been dropped in a while. I can't say that I'm a big fan of this Jordan 10, especially because it's going to be a controversy because this shoe does have the toe cap, with either you'll love or hate. Overall, I do think that it's good that they are dropping the Air Jordan 10 because we haven't seen these in a while. I hope they will do more colorways and I hope they will remove the toe cap. But this is a basic shoe. It's all white. As we can see, the bottom of the shoe does have that all of Michael Jordan's accolade at the bottom. We do see that Jordan Jumpman in that teal. Looking at tongue of the shoe, we do see those straps in gray. It's all blacked out like the OG has always been. Overall, I'm going to be rocking these just because it is the OG, but however, I'm not going to be going for these because I would like to see the powder blues release. I would be going for those if they do drop again. However, I don't have any 10s in my collection. I do have a hybrid 10, but I don't have any OG 10s. Let me know what you think about these, sneakerheads. What do you think about these, my brother?
You know what? It's an OG style. I am a fan of the 10s. I really like that. I like the colorway. I like that steel look on it. Nice clean shoe. It's just a nice clean shoe. So I will be rocking those. I'll be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others.
peace.
Peace.